Hi everyone, welcome back. Now this is a beautiful product from WD. I understand that it says SanDisk Professional. You know why it is a WD product shortly, which I'm going to explain right now. It is under WD range. It's called SanDisk Professional. It is a G drive range of products. And why is it under WD? Because inside is WD's enterprise grade hard drive, which is the UltraStar. WD UltraStar is being used in enterprise environments all over, known for its reliability, and which is why it's priced higher than usual, but it has beautiful specs. Now you might know of WD's drive, like say WD Macbook, which is an external storage. This works exactly the same, and while the WD Macbook has software, this one is a very simple, just plug and play, no default software, pre-formatted for Mac OS. You can format it for Windows, but the beauty of it is, one, the beautiful enclosure. Two, I mean, that it looks like a kind of like a MacBook, right, with a BMW type of grille at the front. And now, then another thing is that it has really fast transfer speed. It is powered by an adapter and it uses a USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity to connect to your device. And with the UltraStar, even on this 18TB G drive, it goes at the speed of 270 megabytes per second, which is a lot faster, more than double the speed of the usual WD, let's say the MacBook drive, which is 110 megabytes per second. Now, use cases. Typically, this will be a pro-grade environment. This one is a single bay drive. There's also the 2-bay ones where you can run RAID. Single and dual bay you cannot change the drive. Then there's a 4-bay and 8-bay where it works like a NAS. Now, the beauty of this product is pro-grade professional environment where, let's say you go outdoors, let's say an event, there's a product launch, you have photographers, videographers going around recording, and you need something that you can fast transfer, offload from your, clearly you have to transfer to say a computer first and then transfer over. This is the thing for it. So you have a massive storage area for your projects that you go about. So that's use case number one. Use case number two is for people who are using something like the MacBook Air over here. MacBook Air as an example, because I have one, but you know what I'm meaning is that any device, any laptop or computers that have no option for you to expand the storage, or in this case, let's say you are using a MacBook or you're planning to buy a MacBook. You know, for a Mac, going from a bare basic 256 gig to a 2TB default storage, it's going to cost a lot. So what you can do is go for the reasonable base amount of, let's say, 512 gig storage, and use the amount of few thousands, get a drive like this, which is, you may not need to go 18TB, which is kind of overkill if you're not doing production, you're just backing up family photos or whatever. Then you can go for a 6TB maybe, which is the smallest one, smallest capacity that is, and that will be helpful, cut your costs, and you still have a lot more storage than going for the measly 2TB that cost you thousands on a MacBook, or whatever configuration it is. Yes, I'm taking this at Apple for the hefty price to pay for additional storage, but regardless, that's the purpose of this SanDisk Professional G drive, which is under WD simply because it has WD UltraStar storage enterprise grade hard drive for reliability that connects to your devices for reliable storage, fast transfer, and all that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.